Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, playing with 12 by 24 inch canvases, and sometimes American and sometimes Aussie Floetrol, mixed with Amsterdam black or white and dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. Today, or right now anyway, I want to be fast and loose with paint. I'm going to use some Meeden paint. And I'm going to start by using my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to put some of it in place to give me a base layer. And I'm thinking about using my Anita's White Metallic as an alternative. I am pretty sure though it's going to show through, but maybe that doesn't matter if I put colors on top. Whatever happens is whatever happens, because I have a few thumbnail sketches of some geometrics I was playing with the ideas for earlier, but really nothing totally solid in mind other than to swipe colors into place. And as long as I can keep the paint that's on the bottom a little wet, which is questionable at this moment because I probably put it on a little thinner than I needed to. I'm really tempted to just go ahead and play and worry about what comes next. When the time comes. Whatever it is, it needs to go away. So in truth, if I were willing to put a heavy enough layer on, I might get coverage. But I also see I am just using the other side of the spatula. I'm going to have to use my left hand to spread paint. My right hand to grab my tweezers because I don't know what that thing is that keeps dogging me. I think more. I don't know why that didn't cover over there, but I guess it's part of the process right about now. I'm not going to mind whatever black and white mix, although you can't trust me, I say things like that all the time. I feel like smearing stuff, and I could. I just need to have enough. Excuse me, please. I like the idea of pulling some of that black change the white into gray. It also will often make cells. Whoops, that was a big, yeah, I want that back. Alright, so that's kind of cool as it is. It's not bothering me. If I want a photograph of it, I better stop and let it go. I have a little bit of spare paint, and I think I'm gonna use my scrape dish and throw my spatula in the bucket before more paint dries on it. Now I'm very interested in grabbing every color that comes to mind, starting with the turquoise color. Turquoise Flash from Folk Art, and I'm going to put some of my cell activator down, and that's amethyst. Wait, it's time to make more cell activator. And I'm going to use the round end and a copious amount of this. And I'm going to have to move faster because I can see my background is drying already. And I want to do something I seldom do. Use my red metallic. That is a neon pink from Folk Art. And a little color shifting purple. And scrape off my card. I'm actually going to apply some of this right to that. I want to take my residual and put it in any gaps that I see. I want to move up here. I think I'm going to grab one of my small acetate tools. I've got a round one. And or turquoise, yes, but this time I want some of the Venetian blue. But I also totally love the look of that amethyst. Well, tomorrow I need to mix up some new base layer paint in Artist Loft and hope that it's conducive. There's one down. I'm not sure about that yet. Just makes me want to go the other direction. I actually have a tool that's meant to smear, and I haven't used it yet. And it's really supposed to be mostly, I think, for doing blooms. But there's absolutely nothing to keep me from trying it. Not sure about that, but I'm not adept at it yet either. I find a lot of times when I'm using American Floetrol with pre-stained wood conditioner for min-waxing, I need to use a little extra air. Okay, well, so far so good, and I'm liking that too. I'm just not sure how far to go. I sort of want to come down here. See if I can repeat the same thing pretty much. Maybe with a little bit of added color. Put the straw down. I have a lot of color on my card, an intense desire to use it. I want some black up there because it's dry right there. I'm not sure that was right. Oh well. Don't give up early, even if you're not super pleased with what you see. I know I don't think of silver often enough, and might be 20/20 hindsight. I need a really good card, which I probably should have been prepared for in advance. I have a whole box full of cards. I think I would have liked to use some purple dioxazine purple. I wonder where that little tool was I want. There it is. Excellent. So I'm going to just probably do my best to give myself permissions. Including white cell activator on top of black. Oh, it's time to clean that tip out. I wasn't actually expecting to do smears today. I love the tendrils, and I really like using the edge. My little tool about the add marks and deposit paint. I don't want that canvas showing through underneath. But I don't mind the idea of it looking like multi-dimensional. I think it's definitely time for some silver. This has been, all day I forget there's only a few drops left in there. That's the Amethyst from Artist Loft. Prussian blue again. Maybe we'll do something a little different this time. I hope that's going to be okay. I want hopefully there's not too many tags on that. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised by that last mark. I'm not as pleasantly surprised by this lump in here though. I think I want something. I kind of like to put some red back in. I meant to have more red. That looks more like a creature than anything else. It certainly doesn't look much like a flower. Well, I might be sorry about this. I might be sorry about a lot of it. Or none of it. Depends on tomorrow, really. How things dry. Oh, those are awesome. That could make me feel better. Some nice big juicy cells. Most of the time I get my colors right, but there are times when I'm just not as sure. Oh, I wanted some purple. Cell activator. That might have helped a lot, actually. That might have helped a whole lot, a lot. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. And I might add a few lines. That's a good one. I'm going to have to fix some of those up. And try not to worry about them too much. They might dendrite. Kind of liking that. Please give me a thumbs up. Check out my exhibition video on the end screen if you're interested in winning a couple paintings. Excuse me, if you're interested in choosing from among a bunch of paintings. You're not going to win a bunch, you're just going to win one. And there's never more than 15 or 20 people at the most in any one of my drawings, and the paintings are not inexpensive, so there's a good prize kickback. I like that, and I like that. And I may just continue on doing that till I figure out I'm done. So if it looks a little bit different when you see the thumbnail, you'll understand. I'm really happy with this, and I wasn't a moment before, for sure. So, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please check my link tree for my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. My paint pouring recipe is under Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe, but also my email address right under the link tree. The link tree is usually one of the first 2 blue links, and it has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America, which you can also find on the link tree. There are over 2,300 videos organized by topic and genre. They're on the playlists. If you go to all playlists, creative playlists, or if you just ask me for a playlist by name, I will hook you up. That is probably the most dangerous tip to ever be tipped. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you want to be included in the monthly drawing, you will be automatically done so when you make a donation. I don't know what else to tell you guys other than that my community board will show you tomorrow's video more often than not. So will my Facebook groups. And if you share my video and give me a thumbs up and your comments keep my morale boosted, all those things are really helpful. Shopping anything helps me buy art supplies.